Hello and welcome today. My name is Elizabeth Barbieton and I am your host of Nature's Call. Welcome to Nature Call. Today we will be looking on the sun. The bright and shiny thing you see that you may already see in this picture. Everybody knows what the sun is. Everybody knows what the sun can do. The sun is harmful, yet it is helpful. It warms us, or will it warm us too much? This is called the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect traps some air into the atmosphere, and we have no clue if this is going to be good or bad for us. That's why today scientists all over are trying to prevent that. This is BluBeri, my co-host. She's a Chihuahua pup. Nature, a beautiful thing. The sun, a bright thing. And the animals that live in it, an even more beautiful thing. These animals I do not want to harm. These animals I do not want to do anything to.